The Caseology Parallax has found new life under Spigen's umbrella, and I'm thrilled to report that this beloved case design lives on. The standout feature remains its distinctive 3D hexacube pattern on the back, which sets it apart from every other case on the market, both visually and tactilely. Spigen has wisely preserved the Parallax's excellent colorway selection for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, offering it in purplish, sage green, ash gray, and navy violet. While the case does add some noticeable thickness to an already substantial phone, it's a reasonable trade-off given the military-grade protection it provides. The raised bezels around both the screen and camera ring offer crucial protection for these vulnerable areas, while the textured TPU grip along the sides ensures the phone stays firmly in your hand. As an official Samsung partner, Spigen has maintained Caseology's reputation for precise fit and build quality. The case is fully compatible with wireless charging, and it works seamlessly with screen protectors. It's particularly impressive how the hexacube pattern isn't just about aesthetics. It genuinely enhances the ergonomics of holding such a large device. The Parallax's most compelling feature might be its price point. Despite offering premium features like military-grade protection and built-in magnetic compatibility for accessories, it remains surprisingly affordable. The case is slightly bulkier than some alternatives, especially on a phone as large as the S25 Ultra, but the added protection and grip make it a worthwhile compromise. For anyone seeking a protective case that doesn't sacrifice style, the Parallax strikes an excellent balance between form and function.